Maid? Maids may lang ingon. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. I'm so
Good
sorry.
evening.
I'm so sorry I'm having a hard time entering the Zoom because our internet connection here is running so slow.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, how's your day?
it's good.
Huh?
Good.
Good, okay. What did you do today, Lila?
I play sticker.
You played with stickers?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You played with friends?
Yeah. My
Mm-hmm.
brother.
Oh, you played with your brother. Is it younger brother or big brother?
Younger brother.
Okay. All right. So, what did you have for dinner?
No, I not yet.
Not yet. Okay. I'm
Yeah.
not yet done eating with my dinner. Can you say it?
I'm not yet
Done
done
eating.
done eating dinner.
Okay. I see. All right. Now, let's start with our lesson for today. Lila, and this time, okay, we're going to make a mind map. Okay, so last time we discussed about the topic, Maria joins the team. Okay, I have
Yeah.
here some pictures. Okay, we can use pictures to make your mind map like this, or we can just make your mind map with the text. Do you want to use the picture for your mind map or just text like this?
Yeah.
You want to use the picture?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now let's start and choose the shape that you want for the title. What shape do you like?
Mm, Square.
Okay. Let's have the square. All right. And the title of the book that we discussed last time was all about Maria.
Maria joins the team.
Very good. Okay, Maria joins the team. Okay, how about this one? The color. What color do you want for this shape?
Mm, is light blue.
Okay, the light blue. Okay, Maria joins the team. Okay, so now let's have this. Okay, look at the first picture here. Okay, can you please
Yes.
tell me about this picture? Okay, what are they
Mm,
doing and who are these children?
yes. Maria playing baseball with her with his brother
With
Louis.
her with her brother.
With his brother
Her.
Louis.
Okay, that is her because we're talking about Maria. With her brother Luis.
Yes.
Okay, so Maria played baseball with or played the ball with her brother Luis. And then
one coach says Maria, we play on 4 o'clock on Tuesday.
Okay, so the coach invited Maria to join their team. Okay, and then Maria, what happened to Maria?
Maria really want to play baseball.
Okay, and then?
Then Maria says, Maria's mom say yes.
And
Then
then?
they rush to home tell dad.
Okay, so they ran home to tell dad, and Maria is so excited to tell daddy that she will be joining the baseball team. Okay, and oh, look at this picture at night.
Yes. At night, Maria was wearing a baseball mitt.
While going?
While going to school.
While going to sleep.
Going to sleep.
Okay, because of excitement, even if Maria, okay, even if Maria will go to bed, okay, she always wear her baseball mitt. Okay, and then what happened at school?
Okay. In school.
At school?
At school, Maria had Amos, her best friend, give Maria a note. A note asks Maria go to her friend body.
Okay, her friend's birthday. And what happened?
Maria says, oh no, I can't come.
Because what's the reason why Maria can't come to Amos' birthday party?
Because Maria have a big game on the Amos birthday party.
Oh, yes. Maria really wanted to join Amos' birthday party, but she's afraid that her team will lose because that during Amos' birthday party, that also the time, okay, that they will play her first baseball game. And yeah. And then after that?
Then after that, Maria said to the coach.
Okay, Maria asked the coach.
You ask the coach, and the coach says, you can miss in the game. He says, but the team not have shortstop.
Okay, won't be having a shortstop. We will still play the game even without you. Even without you, Maria, we will still play the game. Okay, but Maria
says, I'm not missing the game. He says, the team needs me.
Okay, the team needs me. Okay, so Maria said, I won't miss the game because it's her responsibility to play with the game. Okay, and then on that day,
every family's Maria going to watch.
Okay. All right, so on that day, Maria's family came over to support her.
Yes.
and see her playing
baseball.
Okay, playing the baseball. And okay, they were so happy and they were so proud with Maria. Okay, they're so proud of Maria. And then after that,
after the game, Amos going to give Maria a cake and with a yellow balloon.
okay, so after the game, Amos came
come and uh, come and give
Amos
Maria
came
and giving Maria a cake and a balloon.
Okay. All right. So, okay, Maria is still happy because
because Maria not go to the party but Amos give Maria a cake and a balloon.
Okay, so Maria was so happy during that day because even if she didn't go to Amos' birthday party, she still have the cake and balloon because Amos came to give it to her. Okay, so that's all about the topic. Maria joins the team. I think you don't need to, or you don't need some text because you familiarize the topic so well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Can
so
I drink the
you want to drink water?
Can I drink? Yes.
Okay. It's okay. Together we've been happy, and still the few regrets, the ordinary broken.
Okay.
Okay, so here's your mind map. And now it's time for us to um color your mind map. Okay, let's color your mind map now. Okay, I want you to color the arrows here.
Yeah.
Okay, to make it more beautiful. Okay, what color do you want for the arrow here? The first arrow, what color do you want?
Red.
What color do you want for this?
It's red.
Red. Next?
Orange.
Orange. Next one?
Yellow.
Mm-hmm. A rainbow color?
Yes.
Green. And then blue. And then what else? A purple.
Pink.
Pink. Okay. The dark green. What else?
Brown.
Brown. Okay. And
black.
Black. Okay, there you go. So let's have this. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay, so let's put your name in here. It's
Lila.
Lila's mind map. Okay, so how about your name, Lila? What color do you want for your name?
Is blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Is it the dark blue or the light one?
Look like a blue on the rainbow.
A rainbow?
Yes.
Okay, the dark blue. Okay. All right, so Lila's mind map. Okay, let's choose also the background. It's all about baseball. Okay, so let's have this. I don't know if you can see my baseball border design. Let me share my screen. Okay, how about this one? You have to choose the border design that you want to apply in your mind map.
Is um 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 baseball border here.
Yeah, which one do you like? Number 1, 2, 3.
Number
Okay, just count.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, let's see if this picture is okay. Good. Okay, how about that? Is that okay now? Is that okay now, Lila?
Yes.
All right. So this time, okay, we're going to present your mind map. Okay, so teacher will do the presentation first. And after I present your mind map, I will give you time to do it. Is that okay, Lila?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Just listen to teacher first. Hello, everyone. My name is Je, and I am 10 years old. And today, I will talk about the book Maria Joins the Team. Okay, these are Maria and her brother Luis and their dog. Okay, they were at the park and they were playing with the ball. Okay, they catch ball together with their pet. And then the coach asked Maria if she wants to join with her team because the coach noticed that Maria is really good at playing baseball. Maria was so happy and asked her mom that she wanted to join the team, and her mom agreed. And Maria was so excited to go home because she wanted to tell her dad about this news. At night during bedtime, because of excitement, Maria wears her baseball mitt while sleeping. And at school, Amos gave her a birthday or no, it's a card, an invitation card, and Amos invited her to come to his birthday party tomorrow. Maria really wanted to go there, so she asked her coach if she can miss the game, and then the coach said, yes, you can go to your friend's birthday party, but we still play the game. But Maria decided not to go to Amos' birthday party because her teams need her. It's her responsibility to play with her team no matter what. And then, during that day, okay, Maria's family came over to support her. Okay, they were so happy to see Maria playing on her first game ever. And then after the game, Amos came and gave her a birthday cake and a birthday balloon. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening and goodbye. Okay, now, Lila, it's your turn to present the mind map. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, say yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, now you're going to present the mind map in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, everybody. My name is Lila. I'm 9 years old. Today, talk a
I will
book.
talk about
I will talk about the book Maria Joins the Team. In the picture here, Maria and her brother Louis are playing with a ball, and the dog is in the ball. Mr. Two. They are the coach. Really want to Maria go on baseball team. Maria is really want to play baseball.
Okay. Maria really wants to play
baseball. Then Maria says to mother,
ask her mom.
Yes.
Okay, ask her mom.
Ask her mother. Mother say yes. Then they ran to the home and tell with dad. At night, Maria wearing at night
while sleeping.
While sleeping, Maria wearing baseball mitt.
Maria wears
baseball mitt. At the school, her best friend Amos gave Maria a card, and the card asked Maria to go to his birthday party. Maria says, "Oh no, I can't come because my first game is on tomorrow too." Then I call your birthday party instead. Maria says to the coach. The coach says, "You can miss in the game," he says, "but the team will not have a shortstop." "I'm not missing the game," she says. "The team needs me." On that day, everybody in Maria's family watch Maria playing baseball. After the game, her friend Amos gave a birthday cake and a balloon. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
Okay, very good. Great job, Lila. Give me high five. Okay. All right. So your homework, Lila, is you have to make a video presentation about the topic Maria joins the team. You can use this mind map or you can make your mind map if you want to. Okay. So all you need to do, Lila, is write whatever you wanted to say and then you have to analyze the sentences that you constructed. Okay. Okay. All right. So now let's have this one. Okay. I will ask you some more questions about the topic Maria joins the team. Okay. So what causes Maria and Luis to chase the dog? Okay. At the first picture, Maria and Luis are chasing the dog. Why? Why do they chase the dog?
Because the dog is eat the ball.
Okay, because the dog
is
because the dog
is
catches
the ball.
All right. Because the dog catches the ball and run away from
Maria and brother Luis.
Okay, and run away from Maria and her brother Luis. Okay, so what is the main idea of the story?
I think the main idea in the story is Maria playing baseball.
Okay, Maria joins the baseball team. Okay, so that is the main idea of the story. Maria joins the baseball team. Okay, so Lila, do you think Maria made the right choice Okay, her choice is she chose not to come to Amos' birthday party, even if Amos is her best friend. Do you think she made the right choice? Why or why not? Do you think her decision is correct?
Correct.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, what was her decision? She decided
not missing the first game.
okay, not to miss her first game. She decided to play and not to come to Amos' birthday party. And you said that that is a right decision. And why? Why do you think that's a right decision from Maria?
I don't know.
Okay, so that is the right decision because she promised to her teammates to play with them. Okay, so that is her responsibility as a team member. Yeah, as a team member, okay, if you are a member of a team, just like a baseball team or a soccer team, okay, you have to prioritize them, not your own, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you have to prioritize your team because your team needs you. Okay, for example, you are Maria and then you did not play the game because you come to Amos' birthday party. What do you think will happen to your teammates? Or yeah, what do you think will happen to the game? Do you think they will win without you?
They will lose.
Okay, they will lose the game because they are lacking of one member is one member is absent. So there's a big there's a big possibility that the team will lose the game because of the absence of the one player. So each player is very important in a team. Okay. All right. So what does it mean to you to be part of a team? What do you mean by that? To be a part of a team.
Is
What does, okay.
Picture 7.
Okay, what do you mean by to be a part of a team? What does it mean?
Có nghĩa là đồng đội.
Huh?
This mean đồng đội.
What do you mean by that?
Đồng đội.
What do you mean by that in English?
In English. I don't know.
Okay. All right. So, when you say part of the team, it means that you are the member of the team. It means that you will be playing as one family. Okay, you are part of the family. Okay, that is a baseball family. Okay, a baseball team, a baseball family. So it means when you are a part of it, okay, you are the member, you are one of the members of the baseball family. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so since we don't have more time for this, do you have any question about the topic that we have today, Lila? No question about this?
We study on Thursday. On Thursday on Thursday.
Yes.
We are studying
on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tomorrow, we will be having a class too. Yeah. Same time. I'm just a little bit late today because I'm having a hard time entering the Zoom because of the internet problem here. Okay, so Lila, it's time for me to say goodbye now and thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.